Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a boy named Oliver. Oliver was not your average boy, for he possessed a unique and extraordinary gift, the ability to turn invisible at will. This remarkable power had been passed down through generations in his family, and Oliver was determined to use it for good. Despite his young age, Oliver had a keen sense of justice and a strong desire to help others. He would often sneak into the local orphanage under the cover of darkness, using his invisibility to bring food and supplies to the children who had been forgotten by society. The orphans would wake up to find their bellies full and their hearts warmed by the mysterious gifts left behind by their unseen benefactor. Word of the invisible boy's kindness spread quickly throughout the town, and soon, Oliver found himself being sought out by those in need. He would visit the sick and the elderly, bringing them comfort and companionship in their darkest hours. He would thwart thieves and bullies, using his invisibility to outsmart them and protect the innocent. But Oliver's greatest challenge came when a powerful and corrupt businessman began to exploit the townspeople for his own gain. The man had amassed a fortune through deceit and manipulation, leaving many in poverty and despair. Determined to put an end to his reign of terror, Oliver hatched a daring plan. Under the cover of night, Oliver snuck into the businessman's mansion, using his invisibility to evade the guards and reach the heart of the villain's lair. There, he uncovered evidence of the man's crimes and exposed them to the authorities. The businessman was arrested, and the town rejoiced in their newfound freedom. From that day on, Oliver was hailed as a hero, a champion of the downtrodden, and a beacon of hope in a world filled with darkness. But despite his newfound fame, he remained humble and true to his mission of using his powers for the greater good. And so, the invisible boy continued to roam the countryside, spreading kindness and justice wherever he went. His legend grew with each passing day, inspiring others to follow in his footsteps and make the world a better place. And though he may have been invisible to the naked eye, Oliver's impact on the world was undeniable, a shining example of the power of compassion and courage.